Hello everyone, I'm Keith of Keith and Kaye, my little Philipina. Today is a Super Bowl game between the Rams and the New England Patriots. And this is a big day today. And I decided I'm gonna cook me some crab meat. Some Dungeness crab, maybe some fish. So I'm in Gardena now, I'm at the Asian market. I'm getting ready to go in and see if they have some crab in there. And I know they have seafood, but every now and then they have Dungeness crab, those special type of crab that I want to eat. But if they have it, I'm gonna get some and I'm gonna go home and boil it. And it's raining out here, as you can see, the road's wet. And it's a lot of cars out here. I didn't think there's gonna be that many cars out here. But anyway, I'm going in the market and see if they got some Dungeness crabs. Well, I looked out. They do have Dungeness crab right off in there, swimming around, all those crabs. So I'm gonna get some of these, take them home, and boil them. Very good. And they also got lobsters, all type of lobsters. All live, but I want some of the Dungeness crabs. I'm gonna get some. As you can see, it's pretty crowded in here. Everybody's shopping, and the lines are long. But I just have to be patient and wait till they go down so I can get out of here. Go home, start cooking my Dungeness crab. Well, I finally exited the market. Took a while because the store was pretty crowded, but you know, that's the way it is here in the Asian market. So I'm gonna catch a freeway and go home and boil my crab and get ready for the Super Bowl. Go Rams! On my way home to watch the Super Bowl. Watch the Rams beat the New England Patriots. I'm so glad the freeway's kind of open now, maybe because it's a rainy day, or maybe because it's Sunday, who knows. But anyway, I should be home in about 10 minutes. And Nachi, my daughter, she's cooking some, I think, chicken taquitos, she said. I'm not sure. But I want to get back home before the rain starts because it's coming. You can look at the dark clouds up there. It's coming. So as soon as I get home, I'm going to sit back and enjoy the game. Rams are going to beat them. The Rams are going to beat them. The Rams are going to beat them. The Rams are going to beat them. Well, I'm home now. We're getting ready for the Super Bowl. We're cooking our food. This is my daughter Nachi. She's cooking. What are you cooking, Nachi? Fish and taquitos. Look at that. Oh, chicken taquitos. That's the meat right there. Chicken all mixed up, and she's over here cooking. Oh, look at that. Don't that look good? That looks good. And Rashida's over here waiting. I guess she's waiting to get some.
I already ate some.
You already ate?
I tasted it.
All right. Hey, Peyton.
Oh.
You gonna eat some chicken taquitos? Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go outside and get my pot boiling for the crab. We're gonna have Dungeness crab, and I'm gonna fry some flounder fish. And hey, we're gonna sit back and enjoy our Super Bowl. Go Rams! Well, I just fed the cats. They're happy. They're eating. And they eat one meal a day, and that's it. So they'll be hanging around the door because you're not getting any more. Eat up, cats. Eat up. So I'm warming up the pot. Gonna boil the water. The crabs are gonna go in there, and I am going to cook them. And those cats over there getting curious. They want to see what's going on. They always hang around, think they're going to get some, but you're not getting anything, cats. Nothing. You already ate your food. So scram. Well, here's a crab, and it's going to go in the boiling pot there. And look at them, they're all scared, they're running, look at it. Crabs can't hurt them, but they're all running away. Let me grab my little pincher, pick it up. They're alive. Look at his mouth moving. Look at it.
Let it on the table, let it walk.
Look at it. He goes in. Oh! And he goes in. They're moving around. Woo, he's trying to crawl. Oh, he grabbed it, look. He's fighting.
Wow.
They don't want to let go. Oh, look at them. They're acting crazy. Whoa. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh. I got him.
Oh, my God, look at them walking.
Whoa, you're in there. Now you. What are you going to do? Look at him.
Let Peyton touch it.
Look at him. Come on. Where are you going? You can't go nowhere. I got you. Now you going in the pot too. Woo. They're in there. So I'll let them cook a while. They might try to get out, but they won't.
How they still alive?
And I'll put the top on it. And let it cook.
Change color?
Well, they turn red. And let it steam. And that's the Dungeness crab cook. When it gets done, we're gonna eat. I'm gonna go in and fry some fish. We're gonna have seafood fest watching the Super Bowl. Go Rams! Well, let's see what's going on in the kitchen. She's still cooking. And man, look at the finished product. Chicken, what, burritos? Chicken taquitos. Don't they look delicious?
Chicken and spinach.
And spinach in it too? What's in it?
Chicken, spinach, sour cream cheese, and salsa.
All right. And she's still over here using the stove. When she gets done, I'm gonna cook my fish. And we're gonna have a nice chicken taquitos and seafood fest watching the Super Bowl, which will be coming on in about, what time does it come on?
3:30.
At 3:30. And we got about a couple hours to go, so I better hurry up and get on it. There's Fairy on her iPad, and Peyton, excuse me, on her iPad. I get their names mixed up. And Fairy's over on her cell phone. And the TV is just going with no one looking at it. But the Super Bowl will be on there pretty soon. We're all gonna watch it.
Please tell me Peyton's all right.
Thank you, Rosie.
Well, I'm getting ready to cook my fish now.
That's for the Super Bowl.
She's done
Not
cooking
right now? Huh? Not right now?
her
No, everybody.
taquitos. And this is the fish I'm cooking right here. It's flounder fish. I was gonna cook halibut, but I didn't like the way it looked. But this is flounder fillet. And I'm gonna get ready to cook it. And in a minute I'll go check my crab and see how it's doing outside. But I'll let you see the finished product when I'm done. Well, I got the fish on cooking. It's frying up right now. Should be ready in about maybe 5 minutes. And I'll take it out the oven, out the skillet, and then I'll put in the rest of the fish, which is over here. I'll put it in here, then I put it in the bag, just like this. Grab the fish, and I batter it in the bag like that. Just like that. Put it in the bag like that. And then what I'll do is I'll shake it up. I'll shake it, let the batter get the mix all on the fish. Then I'll put it in the skillet over there. Let you see it when it's done. Well, I just finished the first batch of fish. I got another one in there frying. That's the last one. And it's cooking. Now I think I'll go outside and just take a look at the crab. They should be ready by now, and I'll get them out. So I just got through cooking all my fish and the crab that we're going to eat watching the Super Bowl. And here it is. Zoo. Fish and Dungeness crab. Oh man, I love this. And of course I'm gonna make some salad, and we're gonna have some taquitos. And hey, we're ready. We're ready for the Super Bowl. And I might have some company over, I don't know, to enjoy the game with me together, but we'll see. It's between the Rams and the New England Patriots. And the Rams, this is the first time I think they won since 2000. They left, and that was in St. Louis when they left us. They used to be Los Angeles Rams. They left, went to St. Louis, and now they're back to Los Angeles, doing a great job. So I want to watch the Super Bowl, and I predict they're going to win. So anyway, if you like this video, please subscribe below. And I'm going to go sit there and watch the Super Bowl. So go Rams. See ya.